Hello, this is Guy Clapperton, Media Mentor, with another video tip. I've been reading an awful lot on LinkedIn about tips about how to communicate with people, how to present in public, how to do interviews, all that sort of thing. Very much my area. Some of them say things like, make sure you're speaking clearly. Some of them say things like, make sure that you have your points prepared well in advance. Some of them say, focus on what you need to get out of your interaction. All of those things are very important, but I take it a step even further back. Your best first move, I suggest, is to start with the audience. What do they need? This isn't about you. It's what's hurting the audience, how you can help them. And then you're likely to start getting through and start getting some sort of response. So if you'd like more help with that or with any other aspect of your interview skills or media training, please do get in touch with my assistant, Nikki, Nikki, at clapperton.co.uk, and she'll be pleased to set up an individual chat between you and me to see how me and my team can help. Thanks very much. Speak to you soon. Bye.